Good morning, all of you. This is Bhumika Parekh from Lyall Public School. This is the topic of letter writing from English composition for class 8. Letter writing is a very important topic of English composition because this is one format of writing which is used in a very long term. Letter writing is a thing which you can use for very detailed description and all. So before understanding the format and the ways to letter writing, first let us see what is a letter basically. A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another through a medium. What you need to understand here is that it is a written message, very clear. Another thing which you need to keep in mind is that it will always require a medium. It will always require a medium means that it will always need a third person to send it from one person to the other person. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने directly किसी को दे दिया. If you are giving it directly to somebody or if you are keeping it at a place where the second person can access it very easily, that will not be considered as a letter. For writing a letter, for considering it a letter, it is very important that it should be sent or conveyed through a medium. Post आपको चाहिएगा, courier आपको चाहिएगा, ऐसा कुछ आपको चाहिएगा. Okay, I think what is letter is clear to all. Then if we see, these are the two types of letters. Letters are basically of two types. The first one is formal and the other one is informal. Okay, formal or informal, all of you understand very properly. Formal, I think the Hindi translation for formal is औपचारिक and for informal is इनौपचारिक. Okay, so formal letter is a letter which is basically written to everybody, your colleagues, your boss if there is some, or to some institution or something. Okay, to understand formal we need to understand informal first, because informal is a letter which is written only to your friends, families and relatives. Friends, families or relatives. इन तीन जनों को जो लेटर लिखा जाता है that is informal. Other than that, every letter is formal. ठीक है? उसके अलावा अगर आपने अपने क्लास टीचर को लिखा है or you're writing it to your principal or you're writing it to the editor or to some government office or anything, that becomes a formal letter. I think all of you know all these things way before I'm telling you, but that is just a short revision. Then we have a formal letter. First, we are going to understand what a formal letter is. A formal letter is one written in a formal language and it follows a certain format. Such letters are written for official purpose to seniors, etc., and not to friends and family. I think everything is very clearly mentioned here that it is written in a formal language and it follows a certain format, a fixed format you have to follow. Means what is the place of the date, you have to write the date there only, you cannot write above or below that. Okay, these letters are written for official purposes. Official purpose के लिए ये letters लिखे जाते हैं and they are never written to friends or family. As soon as you are writing it to your friends or family, it becomes an informal letter. Then this is one small topic which I have taken here. I don't think so you require it, but still for my satisfaction I have taken this, which is difference between formal and informal letter. Main difference is that the formal letters will address somebody professionally. ठीक है, बहुत एक formal तरीके से जो address करेगा वो एक formal letter है. And when you're addressing somebody or talking to somebody in a very personal way, that is a informal letter. Another small difference is that the formal letter will always follow a specific format. उसका एक specific format होगा हमेशा, while informal letters can follow any format. तो किसी भी format में लिखे जा सकते हैं. You will have to follow a format because that you're doing for your examination purpose also. ठीक है? Then we have the format. Format you need to understand very clearly of a formal letter, because if the letter is of 5 marks, ठीक है, half marks are in the format only. ठीक है, even if you're not writing the content, अगर आपने format पूरा proper लिखा है तो आपको उसके भी marks मिलेंगे. ठीक है, and plus it is very important, if you're not writing it in a proper format, that cannot be a formal letter. Okay, The first thing is sender's address. ठीक है, जो पहली चीज है that is sender's address. Then you have to write down the date. ठीक है, then you have to write down the receiver's address. Now what happens is that many of you get confused between sender's address and receiver's address. Sender's address is the person who is writing the letter, जो send कर रहा है letter, जो भेज रहा है letter, ठीक है, that is the sender, and the one who is receiving it, जिसको letter मिल रहा है, that person is the receiver. ठीक है, तो सेंडर्स एड्रेस में आप हमेशा अपना एड्रेस लिखोगे क्योंकि आप लेटर लिख के भेज रहे हो, और रिसीवर एड्रेस में आप उनका एड्रेस लिखोगे जिनको आप लेटर लिख रहे हो. ठीक है, इन दोनों के बीच में यू राइट द डेट, देन यू राइट द सब्जेक्ट अ कॉलन. ठीक है, एंड देन व्हाटएवर योर सब्जेक्ट इज दैट यू राइट. सैल्यूटेशन इज बेसिकली ग्रीटिंग, कि आप लेटर स्टार्ट करने से पहले उस इंसान को कैसे एड्रेस कर रहे हो, आप उनको कैसे एड्रेस कर रहे हो, जैसे सर स्लैश मैडम, डियर सर, डियर मैम, रिस्पेक्टेड सर, रिस्पेक्टेड मैम, रेवरेंड सर, मैम, व्हाटएवर इट इज, जो भी आप उनको ग्रीटिंग दे रहे हो या जो भी उनको एड्रेस आप कर रहे हो, दैट विल बी टेकन इन सैल्यूटेशन. ठीक है, देन द बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर. बॉडी ऑफ लेटर इज द मेन कंटेंट. उसके अंदर पहले इंट्रोडक्शन आप लिखोगे. इफ यू आर राइटिंग टू योर क्लास टीचर, प्रिंसिपल, आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दोगे. ठीक है, एंड व्हाई यू आर राइटिंग द लेटर, ये इंट्रोडक्शन के अंदर आता है. मेन कंटेंट मींस व्हाटएवर एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन यू आर ट्राइंग टू गिव, जो भी आपका टॉपिक है उसके अंदर जो भी आप एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन देने की कोशिश कर रहे हो वो उसके अंदर आएगा. एंड एट लास्ट इज क्लोजिंग, मींस हाउ यू आर समिंग अप योर लेटर. पूरा लेटर आपने लिख दिया, सब कुछ आपने कह दिया, अब उसके अंदर आप जो क्लोजिंग उसको दे रहे हो या जो समरी यू आर गिविंग, that will come in this. Then there will be this complimentary clause which is yours faithfully, yours obediently, yours sincerely, or whatever it is, and then your name, signature if you are working in that particular place, and designation means your post. ठीक है, आप किस पोस्ट पे हो. Signature generally you will write give only if that is your office letter or that is a letter you are writing to your office. Okay. These are some tips which I have taken to write a formal letter. Okay, be concise. Okay, you have to be concise. I'm not saying be direct or precise. I'm saying be concise. Means one topic which you have started, that you have to follow throughout the letter. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने start तो किया with garbage on the roadside and you reach to examination problems. ऐसा नहीं है. If you're talking about garbage, what are the problems that can cause, आपको सिर्फ उसके बारे में बात करना है, and later on you have to talk only about the solutions what you think can be implemented. ठीक है, state the purpose of your formal letter in the first paragraph and don't weave from the subject. जो भी आपका purpose है, that you have to mention in the first paragraph. Introduction, body content we were talking na, introduction you will give the purpose and then you cannot shift from your subject. आप अपने सब्जेक्ट से शिफ्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. ऐसा नहीं है कि you like you know सब्जेक्ट में आपने कुछ ही लिख दिया and in the whole letter you are writing something else. You cannot do that. Then use an appropriate tone. The tone has to be very appropriate and very formal because you are writing a formal letter. अगर उसके अंदर आप कुछ भी थोड़ा सा भी टोन के साथ में if you cannot just do justice, then the purpose of the letter, writing the letter may be fatal. Okay. Then another thing is proofread. Proofread is very important because you are writing a formal letter. Imagine writing a letter to your principal and you see that your spellings are wrong. That's very insulting, right? So that is very important. Proper format is very important and presentation is also very important. Now your letter should look nice. ऐसा नहीं है कि उसके अंदर 100 cuttings you are doing or something. That should not happen because you are writing a formal letter. Okay. This is one example which I have taken. On your way to and from school, you observe heaps of garbage on the roadside. They give out foul smell. Such unhealthy, there are some typing mistakes, please mention, take them properly. Such unhealthy conditions may spread an epidemic. Write a letter to the editor of Hindustan Times highlighting the problem and appealing the government of NDMC to find a solution. You are Pramodini or Pramod Tiwari. Okay, so this is your starting. First, this is your address, 16 Pandhara Road. New Delhi. Then the date. Then the receiver's address. Editor, the Hindustan Times, New Delhi. Then the subject, heaps of garbage on roadside. This is your salutation, sir, madam. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to draw the attention of the government and NDFC to the pathetic conditions of the roadside which are full of the garbage. This was your introduction, जिसके अंदर आपने ये mention किया कि आप ये पूरा letter किसको लिख रहे हो और क्यों लिख रहे हो. ठीक है, आप किसको लिख रहे हो, एक न्यूज़पेपर को लिख रहे हो और आपकी जो रिक्वेस्ट है या जो आपकी विश है वो क्या है, to get the attention of the government and NDMC towards the pathetic condition of roadside because of garbage. Then you write that the situation is worsening, it's not properly clean, that may cause a breeding ground for rodents and insects, and that may again cause an epidemic. It is causing some many contagious diseases. A few of the people in your locality have even fallen ill, or whatever you wish, you can write all those things. And then this is the closing. I sincerely request the concerned authorities to take strict actions and provide solutions from the problems. ये आपका closing. This is the complimentary close. Yours sincerely, Pramodini Tiwari / Pramod Tiwari. Now, why are we writing Pramodini Tiwari and Pramod Tiwari here? The answer is that because you have been mentioned कि आप प्रमोदिनी या प्रमोद तिवारी हो और ये आपका एड्रेस है. If this is mentioned in the question, you have to take this only as your name and address. You cannot write it on your own or something of that sort. Okay? I think it is clear to all of you. I hope there is no problems with it. Thank you so much.